We got Happy Mail. I was so excited. I was not expecting this. So we went out to the mailbox yesterday and there was this cute little box in there. And see what it says on there? You're flamazing. So that can only mean one thing. This is from Pinkee Jean. So this is the cutest little box. And it's very well sealed. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Isn't that darling? And this box is amazing. It opens all up. Okay. Let's see. I see yarn. Oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful yarn. It's Dania from Knitwise. 74% acrylic, 26 wool, 60 grams, 100 yards. How cute is that? Does not say. Here we go. Care instructions. Hand wash cold, lay flat to dry, which makes sense with the wool in there. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, it's soft. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so a few weeks ago, our sweet Jean ordered a box of things from Amazon. And this was one of the things in the box. And I commented on it. Ta-da-da! I told her in the comment I needed these glasses. Well, now I've got them. And let me tell you, I'm wearing these on my vacation. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of things in here. A mask. You know, she loves her masks.
Cucumber mask.
Yep. It looks like it's mango. I can't see it now because I don't have my real glasses on. Ooh. And then she's got the little under eye mask. I love these too. You have to catch her Mask Mondays. And, okay, so some double pointed knitting needles. Sometimes they're called DPNs. And these are bamboo, so they're a little easier. I've got to take these off so I can read. They're a little easier to work with when you first get going. The bamboo is easier than my box keeps falling, than the metal ones. Okay, this is a size 6 double pointed needle, size 6. So she must have a project in mind here. And this is a cable hook, cable holder, cable stitch holder. So when you're doing cables, you put your stitches on here. There's a beautiful little card. She's so clever with all this stuff. She makes the cards herself. And it says, "Hey Peep, you are flamazing. Thank you so much for the treasures. Just me, Jean." Robin, I am still so excited about the dishcloth. I knitted her, it was one of my very first knit projects. I knitted her a flamingo dishcloth. It turned out really, really cute. And I was real happy to send it to her. She says, "I am spring cleaning for the move." She's getting ready to move. "And decided to send you this knit project." Oh, instructions included. Oh, it's slippers. Knitwise slippers. Look at that. I like those. Ooh, they look hard. Look at all those cables in there. Well, there's a chart. Okay. I think we can do it. What do you think? Can we do this? 2 balls of yarn, knitting needles. I can purl. I can purl. I can knit. Here's another chart. That looks like a lot of stuff. But you know what they say, one stitch at a time. Needle 1, needle 2, needle 3. Oh, so you're doing the different things on the different needles at any given time. Okay, Jean, you are really pushing my abilities to the limit with this, but we're going to try it. We are absolutely going to try it. Thank you so much. I can't even believe how awesome this all is. Gonna have to join you for Mask Monday. And I will put Jean's link to her channel down below. She's got an adorable little channel, and she does a lot of unboxings, different kinds of things. I'm surprised that she had knitting stuff. I just recently learned she crochets, so she's a woman of many talents. But she's also in the middle of a move right now, so you know how that goes. But yeah, I will definitely link her stuff down below. Thank you so much, Jean. I really appreciate it. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.